For this holiday season, I invite you to join me in creating a stunning wreath cake. I'll guide you step by step through this show-stopping dessert inspired by the finest pastry shops in Paris, featuring an intense raspberry confit, a delicate pistachio mousse, and a soft hazelnut cake. In this class, we'll also cover essential French techniques, including how to make real pistachio paste, one of the key secrets behind every great pistachio dessert. I'll show you how to choose the best products available on the market, and also how to make your own pistachio paste completely from scratch. We'll walk through how to assemble the cake, how to create a multi-layer confit and mousse dessert, shape it into a beautiful holiday wreath, and finish it with a luscious pistachio glaze. I will teach you how to create a fully edible decorative bowl for the perfect festive touch, how to create it, to shape it, and paint it. Whether you're a beginner or a more experienced baker, this cake is guaranteed to impress your guests. And for professionals, this dessert is a proven bestseller with excellent profit margins. I'll share all my recipes, techniques, and secrets so you can recreate it flawlessly. Let's make this beautiful holiday cake together and celebrate the season. Pastry is love.